American Eagle. This ride opened in 1981 here at Six Flags Great America. Designed by Intamin, built by the Philadelphia Toboggan Company. And oh boy, I've been riding this for so many years. And man, when this ride used to race, when it was able to race, I'm on the red train today. It's the only red train running today. I don't know the last time this ride raced. It's been quite a while, but there was kind of nothing like it when there was somebody right next to you going up this thing. It's just not quite the same without the trains racing anymore, but it's still fun. We'll see how it's running. 66 miles an hour, I believe, is the top speed on this. I can't remember exactly how tall it is. And when it opened, it was the tallest, fastest, I know, wooden roller coaster in the world. I think it was maybe the tallest, fastest roller coaster period, but this is the best part. This drop with these first airtime hills is just unmatched. Very cool. And you kind of hang here too as you're going over the edge. Here we go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. We are cooking, baby. Yeah. On your seat right there. Yeah. Yes. Oh, that's good. And that's kind of where the ride peaks. That's my criticism with the Eagle. Because you get this really long helix going in here, and this is where it really feels like it's bucking off the track right about now. Oh, yeah! Oh, we are really shaking here. It is out of control, man. Especially when you're in the back of this thing. It's going nuts. Woo! Woo! Oh, yeah, a little bit of airtime again. Yes! Woo! Woo! We're cooking. Woo! Oh, yeah! Woo! Oh, that's a good time. That is a good time, actually. I forget how fun this ride really is. And we're going through the helix here at the end. Oh, we're pumping again. Oh, yeah. That is the American Eagle. Temperature right now is about 55 degrees out here, and my face is frigid at the moment. So what do you guys think about the Eagle? Should this be a you can't touch it ride that stays here at Great America forever, and they just continue to work on it and figure out a way to get these two sides racing? Or do you, you know, bring an RMC in, Rocketmont Construction in to do something else with it? Do you completely remove it and put something else in this plot of land? But man, you can hear people behind me.
I can't feel it!
Still having a good time, man, on this one.